So these are one of my all-time favorite plants to use in a foundational landscape, the evergreen azalea. So these are encore or evergreen azaleas, one of my favorite plants in a southern landscape. We're going to want to make sure that they have adequate fertilizer. They do like acidic soil, and preferably one that has some phosphorus in that as well. So not just the soil acidifier, but a true acidic fertilizer. As far as pruning goes, we're only going to want to prune some deadwood out, or do maybe a wild hair, like a little bit of shaping here and here. Usually we want to wait until after that first big spring flush of blooms to do any kind of nitty-gritty overall shaping pruning. As far as pruning goes, you want to make sure that you cut at an angle. You want to cut on a leaf node about 45 degrees above. When we're going to cut, and you see how these are opposite nodes, you want to cut at a 45-degree angle a little bit above where that next branch is coming out to make sure that, one, it's not going to hold or collect water, and you're going to have a nice recovery piece that'll come up and cover that cut. This one in particular has what's called azalea lacewing, and you can see that because of the stippling in the leaf. Usually you can take care of that through making sure we're collecting all of the dead leaf litter and a nice organic insecticide, maybe with a pyrethrin in the spring.